Some people are making money on YouTube without even getting to show their face on YouTube, but they're making millions of money, millions of dollars, millions of naira on YouTube just by making videos, just by creating content without showing their face. And they don't even need to show their face at all. They don't even need to buy expensive cameras, buy expensive equipment, buy gadgets. No, that sounds crazy, right? 3 years ago, I thought being successful on YouTube, it's you being comfortable on camera, having a very good setup, and having a perfect timing. But then I discovered something that really changed everything that I once thought about YouTube. There are thousands of faceless channels on YouTube that are getting thousands of views, millions of views on their content. And these channels are making millions of dollars. They're making thousands of dollars every month from their channel. And the best part is, YouTube, you can start your own channel today with just your phone. Just your phone, you can start your own channel today. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own YouTube faceless channel that you can be able to be posting videos and you're going to make thousands of dollars just as others are making every single month. On this video today, I will show you exactly how to create YouTube faceless channel from scratch. Even if you're a complete beginner, then how you're going to use the channel and earn dollars every single month, thousands of dollars every single month. When I first wanted to start a YouTube channel, I had one problem. I don't want to show my face. I was a kind of shy, and I was like, oh, YouTube is not meant for me, it's not meant for people like me. But one day I discovered a channel getting millions of views with just a voiceover and stock visuals, but the channel was getting millions of views with no face showing. That's when I realized viewers care more about value than showing your face. But viewers really care about the value that you give to them. The problems you help them solve is more valuable than showing your real face. So I started studying faceless YouTube channels. I discovered simple process that anyone can follow and become successful also. Step number 1, choose a profitable niche. I have previously talked about what this niche is and how you're going to get a niche. I've talked about it. You can check my channel for the video I talk about niche. But still, this one, step number 1 is choose a profitable niche. And mind you, not every niche will work well with faceless YouTube channels. This is what most people don't tell you about, but I'm going to tell you for free. Most of these niches don't work well for faceless YouTube channels. But here are some of the niches that work well with faceless channels. Things like AI tools, YouTube growth, how to make money online, some documentaries, finances, motivation, celebrity stories, sports, health and fitnesses. These ones work well when you're doing a faceless channel. And also remember that you should choose a niche that you can always create video on, that you can consistently create videos on. Step number 2, generate video ideas. Never just guess what you're going to upload, but always make research from the people who are on the same niche with you, on the kind of videos you upload and what people are really asking of from their comment section. And when you discover these ones, ask yourself, what topics are getting more views? What questions are people asking in the comment section? And use these questions that you answer and then create videos on them, on your own niche. You can always use VQ or ChatGPT and YouTube search suggestion to find endless video ideas. And if you're going for VQ, you can also check the link in my bio. You can use my name and sign up and get a free credit unit that you can be able to use and get free search results. Step number 3, write the script. Your script is the foundation of your video. Use ChatGPT in most cases to write your script with a strong hook, a good storytelling, valuable information, and curiosity to keep viewers watching. And also always remember this: viewers stay for valuable content. They don't just stay for fancy editing. Step number 4, Create voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voice to create voiceovers for your channel, you can use AI tools like 11lab, CapCut AI voice, or Speechify. Use a natural voice and make sure the voice is clear. Make sure the audio is very clear. Step number 5, find visuals. You don't need expensive visuals. You don't need expensive footages to create your Faceless channels with. Just find videos from Pixels, Pixabay, Canva, AI generated images, screen recordings. Mix your videos every few seconds to keep viewers watching. Mix your visuals almost every few seconds to keep viewers engaged and watching your videos. Step number 6, edit like a pro. Editing is easier and simple than you think. Use free editing apps like CapCut, VN Video Editor, and KineMaster. With these apps, you're going to add captions, zoom in and out, background music, transitions, and B-roll footages. The goal is to keep viewers watching. Step number 7, monetize your channel. There are many ways to make money on YouTube with your channel, with your Faceless channel. More importantly, when people say that you have only one source of income, that's the ads, which I always say it's a lie. Here are some of the platforms that we're going to use and start making money on YouTube with. Number 1 is affiliate marketing, YouTube ads revenue, sponsorship, digital product, selling services. Never you rely on one source of income. Just make sure you use all of these ones so that you have multiple sources of income. Biggest mistake when most people keep quiet and they don't talk about. You see, most people quit too early. They upload 5 to 10 videos and they don't get views and they give up. But the truth is, YouTube rewards consistency. YouTube does not just reward people that just give up early, but they reward consistency. And never forget this. Every successful YouTuber today that you see today, either in your niche or from different niche or on YouTube generally, they all started with a 0 subscriber. None of them started with 1,000 subscribers. None of them started with 100 subscribers, but all of them start with just a 0 subscribers before getting to where they are today. But listen to me. If we've been waiting for perfect studio setup, perfect timing, perfect camera, perfect gadget before you start your channel, stop waiting, stop wasting your time and start now. Start your channel now. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, you just need to start. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, because in this channel I post videos on how to grow on YouTube. I post videos on how to use AI and create better content, and I also share how to make money online. So you can consider turning your bells on, your bells notification on, so that anytime I upload a video, you can be among the first people to watch the video. Because in this channel I share video on YouTube strategy and how to grow on YouTube. Hope to see you next time.